Do you ever feel out of sorts or a little topsy-turvy, like your heart is being folded and turned any and every way? With so much unfolding right before our eyes, you may experience sadness, anxiety, loneliness, and even anger. Some even may feel like your heart is just stuck. Life is full of all kinds of disasters, but God is bigger than that. Just one thought of His goodness can help iron things out. God loves and cares about us very much and has made a way for us to bypass the messes laid before us. No one is exempt from bad things happening to them. Things happen to all of us, but we can avoid a lot of messy situations if we follow our hearts and stay on the right path. When we try to go on our own and do what we want, then it can feel like our hearts being folded. This Blooming Heart Object lesson shows that when we think on things above, God will set our hearts free. Psalms 119, 28 through 32 says, "Straighten me according to your word. I run the path of your commands, for you have set my heart free." Instead of worrying about the negative things unfolding before you, focus your attention on keeping God at the center and watching Him unfold your heart. God loves you, and so do I.